Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you 3 different designs with one almost leading concept. So we're going to make a small, a medium and a big design. The big design is going to be a bouquet, and I'm going to start off using these ready-made shapes, and we're going to connect them with wire. That's going to be our base, making sure it's really tight, so I'm using some thicker wire. So it's fixed. Then I'm going to use sticks, and I'm going to try to get them in between in such a way that it's really tight and strong. Then we have a cool base. It's strong, it's solid, and it gives us enough volume to work with the beautiful roses. And in this case we're going to use the Sophia Loren from Berg RoseS, and this is just really big and beautiful. We can use the structure to place our roses. So the bouquet is ready, and as you can see, I hope that I'm repeating basically the round shape and the movement that is in the rose, because it has many petals, with the round reds that I made the structure with. And that together combines really strong and powerful. Then we're going to make a smaller version inspired by our big design, the bouquet. We're going to make a smaller one so you can again make a nice collection for your shop. So I have this low glass container, I have a piece of foam, and I'm wrapping that with the leaves. I'm using the biodegradable foam from RoseS. Here and there I cut away some of the branches so my shape can fit over the container. Then I'm going to use some of this beautiful green. For this design I'm going to use the Avalanche Candy. Really colorful, again a beautiful rose, good quality. I think for florists it's really good to make collections, to make a certain line in what you present to your customers. Then I have these beautiful pieces of wood. I'm just going to give it a wire. Of course I don't want to see the wires. We can do a little detail with the same leaf that is underneath in the foam. So sometimes it can be really simple. These beautiful roses really pop out. We have the nice structure, and this is our medium-sized design. Then we go for a smaller one, and we're just going to make a funny structure. So I'm just going to repeat the materials again, taking a leaf, putting it in double. Very simple, but very effective. So we finish our nice collection with the roses of Berg RoseS. We have our big bouquet, our medium design and our small design. So you can serve all your customers with a collection like this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.